moms! Welcome to our winter vacation series. I am super excited to share today's activities with you, which your child would love and keep asking you to do again and again. These activities are designed to bring out your child's creativity, boost their cognitive skills, and keep them active. Let's make screen free fun a daily habit. Here are today's activities. Enjoy! For free printables, comment below. If you feel this video is helpful, then like and share this video. And to follow the series, don't forget to subscribe my channel Shino Kids. Thank you so much.